Today's question is a great one. What is the difference between Wetcast and Drycast pavers? They both have different applications and characteristics, and today I'm going to go over the 4 major differences between the two types of products. The first major difference is manufacturing. In Drycast paver manufacturing, we use a mix design that is consistent to that perfect type of sand that you're down at the beach making sandcastles out of. Low moisture content, heavy compaction and vibration when pushing it into the mold produces the paver in a Drycast facility. Wetcast pavers are produced with a more fluid mix, a higher moisture content, where the actual mix flows into the mold, where it is then vibrated to remove the air to increase the density. And this allows for more intricate shapes and textures to be placed on the face of that paving stone. Number 2 on our list is color consistency and variety. Drycast pavers tend to have a more consistent color due to the process of which they are manufactured and that color is added. However, in Wetcast manufacturing, we get a much larger variety of color, a more unique and wider range of color options. Number 3 on our list is appearance and texture. During the Drycast manufacturing process, those paving stones can tend to be a little bit more porous because it's a drier mix design, and we're pushing the paving stone and compressing it down, trying to imprint the texture on the face of it. Where in a Wetcast paving stone, it's that fluid mix pouring into a rubber mold where we can have a little bit more intricate design, shapes, and a wide variety of natural stone textures added to that paving stone over its Drycast competitor. Number 4 on our list is cost and availability. Drycast paving stones have been around for a long time and are very mechanized in the way that they are manufactured. This allows for a large output of numbers, so the availability is quite high and tends to keep the cost down. In the Wetcast manufacturing process, we're using individual molds and trays to produce the product. This, coupled with the curing process, tends to make the manufacturing a little bit slower in Wetcast than Drycast, which tends to make the Wetcast paving stones a little bit more expensive compared to the Drycast. Now, those are the 4 main differences between the two products. However, both of them get used in making our outdoor living spaces beautiful. They each have their own specialties when it comes to their application. Drycast paving stones, due to their utilitarian type of production, can be used more often in heavy vehicular applications, driveways, heavy foot trafficked areas, where Wetcast pavers, where they offer that nice natural stone texture and those intricate colors, are great for those outdoor patios, walkways, and even some applications allow for driveway use. So both products are great. Both products are made a little bit different, but they offer great options when you're designing your outdoor living space. Thank you for joining us again on the Frequently Asked Questions series. Come back and join us as we continue to answer more of your questions.